Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster border city. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2019 Chevrolet Spark LT. The exterior color is blue, and under the hood we have a 1.4-liter engine paired to a 5-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have halogen high and low beam headlights, as well as a pair of fog lamps. Over at the side we have our 15-inch aluminum wheels. We also have color matched mirror caps and door handles. At the rear we have a backup camera, as well as an embedded defroster located in our rear window. At the interior, we have loads of driver-friendly features, including tons of door storage, as well as power locks, power windows, and power adjustable mirrors. Over at the steering column, we have our automatic headlamp dial, and we have a tilt steering wheel with our cruise control settings located on the left, and our hands-free controls, as well as our entertainment controls located to the right. Up above, we have our rearview mirror, as well as our cabin lights that provide ambient lighting. And as we look down at our interior, we have a beautiful black seating. And as we look ahead, you'll see we have 5,631 kilometers on this beautiful Chevy Spark. And as we look ahead, you'll see we have our LCD touchscreen display, which allows for audio control, phone connectivity, and other apps including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The driver can also view the display of the rear view camera. Down below, we have our entertainment controls, as well as we have our climate control area, which includes air conditioning and heating for the entire cabin. We have dual cup holders, as well as console storage, as well as our shift lever, even more storage, and another cup holder at the rear. At the rear, passengers can enjoy power windows, and our 60/40 bench seat leaves tons of headspace and loads of legroom for 2 passengers to enjoy. If there are any more questions about this beautiful Chevrolet Spark, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. I'd also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.